Remove the 3 screws on the each ear cap. Note, there are horizontal fixing screws, which need to be removed with a small screwdriver. Remove the ear caps, and be careful not to lose the waterproof rubber strips. Unscrew these 4 screws to open it. Be sure to take a photo to record all plug interfaces. Every plug has its fixed position, don't miss it. When installing it back, pay attention to the positions of the 2 motors. Before screwing back the screws, remember to power it and have a test. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, support@sunba.net.